Panasonic is moving more from just being a hardware company. Services and solutions are what we're actually building around that. I mean, it's one thing to sell the hardware, but you got to have the solutions in place to make that deployment successful. Initially, what will happen is once we become aware of a particular project, we will schedule a scope call with that initial agency, and we will go over exactly what they're trying to accomplish with a particular deployment. One thing that's very popular right now is the conversion from Windows 7 to Windows 10. So you're having a lot of agencies that are still on Windows 7, and we use our services to help them migrate over to Windows 10. So that's something that can be gained through that initial scoping call with the client. Once they actually receive their Toughbooks, there's quite a bit that goes into that. So what we like to do is configure those. We like to install the batteries, the SIM cards, and kit them per vehicle. So once they get them, car 539 has everything it needs to be deployed. So instead of having a bunch of boxes show up, they're broken down and kitted per vehicle. Also, we find out obviously how big the deployment's going to be, what's entailed with that. Do they have installers there on site? How can we help augment that deployment? So we're not coming in to try to take over, we're coming in to help.